Good morning, everyone. Hello, mga guys. Here's the view here. Okay, let's see now. Okay. Here's my fit dog. Okay. This one is Ebroy, Bruno Cole. And that one is Bila and Pusa. And I want to take to the dog food. Okay, let's see mga guys. Okay. Bila here. Bila, come here. Let's eat now. Okay, Bila. Oh, this one. This one for Bila. And hers also. Here, Bruno. This one, Bruno, come here. Okay, very good. Okay, Bruno. Let's eat. Let's eat, Bruno. Why? Why? Sige na, Bruno. This is my fit dog. Wow. Okay, itong mga alaga ko. Mga guys, itong mga alaga ko. Okay. No. Here's also mulberry. Oh, malaki ng mulberry dito. At saka yun. Okay, here. Chico. Malaki pang punuan ng Chico. Oh, maraming mga tanim. This one is also mango. And that one, walang limpisa. Kasi ang laki-laki, malayo, yung suha. Suha mga guys. A little flower here. Okay, nice. Okay. Let's the view. Here. Okay mga guys. Nakita niyo mga guys. Okay, itong bahay ng mga alaga dito. Okay. Bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.